Happy New Year, Detectorists. Finally got some nice weather here. We had a kind of frigid and snowy New Year, but it's a Saturday after New Year's, and thought I'd come up here to an open space in North Adams County. Beautiful view of the Front Range today. This is called the Big Dry Creek Open Space. There's a couple playgrounds, creek that goes through, some walking trails. I don't know if I'll find anything, but I guess you never know unless you try. Wish me luck. Got our first target here in the playground. It's iron. See what happens. Underneath the layer here, so won't be able to get that. Yep. Target under a tree here. Iron, nothing. Didn't find anything over there in that playground, but let's see what this is. Our first find. A bolt, rusted old bolt. Well, it's something. Well, so I've made my way down here to Big Dry Creek, which isn't so dry right now. It's got a nice flow. Probably due to the snows that we just got, but I don't know, it's kind of a neat area. I don't know if I'll find anything, but thought I'd just maybe follow it a little bit to the south there, maybe take the trail back up to the car, check out the north part of the park. All right, nice day out. Taking a little break underneath this really old cottonwood tree. The creek is right down there. There's a historic barn over there, but I don't know if you can hear it. Every once in a while you can hear an eagle. I think he's off over in that tree over there. I see something white way off over there. It's pretty nice. Haven't found anything so far, but it's a gorgeous day. Well, this is my first signal out in the middle of all of this. It's iron, so hey, check it out. Well, not much. Piece of wire. Oh, something to look for anyway. I have another iron right over here by this prairie dog hole. Looks like it's pretty deep. Well, I'm still digging this hole, but looks like a really old piece of glass here. That's kind of interesting. Check that out. Still says something in here. Well, there it is. It's an old nail. But found that piece of glass, and there's some bone fragments right around in here too. Kind of interesting. Well, I wonder how old that glass is. Still saying something over here. Keep digging. I'm digging down here, and that eagle just flew right up into that tree with a big screech. I think his nest is right over there where I was. You can see it kind of at the top. Maybe this camera can't show it. Even if I'm just finding a nail or something, it got some beautiful nature around me. This is just in the north part of Denver. So well, it was a tough search, but got another nail. Doesn't look that old, huh? See if there's anything else. Maybe some more nails. Well, looks like there might have been a little bit of a trash pile here or something, but found screws, another piece of wire, some old pieces of glass, and some bone. That looks like it might be a prairie dog skull, but those are pretty interesting pieces of glass right there. But kind of trashy right here. They're getting tons of iron. I'm gonna move on. Well, I started swinging again and got a kind of a mid-range high tone, and found this old piece of bottle. I guess maybe it goes with that brown glass. That's pretty interesting. That's all metal. Cool. Let's keep looking here. Got another iron signal and got a weird piece of, I don't know, Very flexible. Some old nail of some sort. It's all right here by this prairie dog hole. There's some more bones. Prairie dog bones. Well, this is the most interesting one so far. Only hit something metal down here. It's got a bunch of strings or... I don't know if I'm going to continue, but there, you can see these wires coming up here attached to something. Maybe it's an old piece of upholstery seat or something. That's where I dug, and it's all through here. Something buried. Digging more. You can see all those little wires in there. I bet you it's an old seat or something. So getting that all over here. I bet you they did some sort of try to prevent the bank from put some structure in here to help stop the erosion. But it's all over in here. And there's a drain of some sort right there too. So yeah, I bet you some structure underneath here. It's hopping all over. So there aren't many prairie dogs in this colony, but I'm guessing some eagles and stuff have had their way. I just got chirped at by a few of them, but some of these holes have lots of bones around them. That's a bigger one though. Crazy. I'm heading back up to the car. There's a farm that's part of this open space too, and then there's a whole bunch more to the north. I think I'm gonna drive up through the neighborhood and check out some more of the park. Have a little bit of lunch first. Oh, so here's the old farmhouse that they kept as part of this open space. Seemed like it might be an interesting place to swing the detector. Check it out. Well, right away I got a bunch of high signals, probably some buried wire. Smashed cans. There's another one right over there. Guessing that's all it is. It's an interesting chunk of metal. Looks like it almost has an edge on it. Oh, it's probably a mower blade. This came up on the high setting, some sort of ring. Not jewelry ring, but I don't know. Don't know. Huh. Got a high signal in between these two trees. This is some sort of piece of pipe. Definitely rang up as copper. End of a hose. Funny. These rang up. It's possible middle or high tone. Just all sorts of this stuff. You can even see a lot of it on the ground here. Well, I haven't found anything really valuable. Lots of scrap metal, cans, nails, but sure is a beautiful setting here. I can see that eagle sitting on the top of a tree way over there. But beautiful, beautiful winter day to get out detecting. Well, look who's been busy around here. Some beaver. Oh, cool. Wonder where they're setting up shop. Must be just down there. There is an eagle in that tree right over there. Can't see if I'm getting in on it. Listen. Oh, you hear another one. There he went. Cool. That's worth the price of admission right there. All right, how crazy is that? These were about 6 inches down. They don't even look that old. Well, who knows? They're plastic. Oh, still something down there. Thought I saw a can. It looks like a can. Aluminum. Big something. Well, look at that. Those sunglasses were right there on top of it. Weird. Crazy. So here's all the stuff I found out Big Dry Creek open space. It's lots of cleaning up aluminum. A couple interesting things. Some old pieces of glass here, which is right next to this. This is all on a prairie dog hole. Looks like a skull, some other vertebrae of some sort. Found these glasses. Oh yeah, this big piece of pipe over here. But this is right here where the barn is. It's scoped out down there. There's lots of territory to cover. But overall, I'd say a pint-worthy day. Is definitely an interesting hunt. Got to hear eagles and scared up some ducks and a big blue heron and all that jazz. So good day detecting. Cheers. Hello, Woodsy.